right, here we go. Enjoy the music. My voiceover. Oh man. Oh man. Can't get tired of pulling into this place. And again, we discovered it. 1977. 1977, we discovered this place. Alright, was that fun or what? That was fun. And I think we're going to stay here tonight. And check this out. The Honda 22i EU generator. I'm going to plug in a DVR. Father Goose. See you guys. Okay, the big lunch. Now it works.
Hot links.
Hot links, and we're in front of that. And this is where we stay. Yes, sirree. I'm hungry. Okay, so here's my theory. Turn this puppy on. Is this was a mining claim from the 1800s, right? And there's the main shack. But at one point in time, this little creek down here was yielding a lot of gold, a lot of ore, and there had to be tents all around this area because down there is a little meadow. And you can tell that was a place for camping. And they just packed in here. This probably could have had 300 people living here at one point in time. And somebody had a bag of gold, maybe a deer pouch. And instead of going into Allegheny, which is by driving our cars, trucks, takes about 45 minutes to an hour because you're pretty far out. They were on horseback, so it'd take them a full day. They'd have to stay in town and come back the next day for supplies. You wouldn't want to haul all that gold around. You'd put it in the pouch and bury it. And you'd bury it under a tree or by a rock. By a rock, someplace that you'd be able to remember. So my theory is you just go around these trees and look for a hit. See this tree here? Probably it was the original tree back then. Rotted away. And that happened over on the other side of the mountain, over by Placerville. Someone in their backyard was doing the digging next to a tree, pulled up 2 cans, had something like $4 or $5 million worth of gold coins in it from the 1800s. That's what we're doing. I'm going to go over to the next tree is over there and over there. And just go check it out. All right, we're going to bed down for the night up here. It's just, we're out in the middle of nowhere. And we probably could drive down the river down there. Didn't even see this road. All right, talk to you guys later. The Lost RVers Gold Expedition. Without the RV and without the wife. Solo with some friends. Bye. Out in the middle of nowhere, 40 miles inland, off a road, off a road, off a road, and off a road. By the way, that is a little cemetery, a little something's buried there. That's the headstone, and there's a little solar lamp. But Here we got the Honda 22i EU generator out in the middle of nature. The first time in our history, in the 50 years of us coming up here, have we ever came here, plugged in a generator,
nice trip, nice fishing.
And now we're watching the wackiest ship in the Army on the big screen 9-inch DVD. Alright folks. Yahoo. Oh, there you go. Alright, this is the 9:30 illegal fire. 9 o'clock illegal fire. We're claim jumping. No fires are allowed in the Sierras. And this is our living room, courtesy of whoever owns this place. Of course, now we're watching Wings. Middle of the Sierras. I mean, like 30 miles inland, 40 miles, I think. Given all the roads. Still light out. It's a well-known area for Bigfoot. Plus we got that cemetery right there. That's what it looks like. Yeah. We're roughing it. We are roughing it. But this is the first time in 50 years we ever had entertainment. And that's because of that Honda 22i EU generator. And then if you look back there. All right. Until the next segment. I'm freezing. It's getting cold up here. No gold, no fish. See ya. The Lost RVers. Subscribe.
Is that a man's voice I hear in the background?
No, it's my voice you hear in the background. See you guys. It was the coldest damn night you ever spent in the month of July. We're down to burning Duraflame for heat. I fled into the car, around the heater all night. I bought this little sleeping bag, it must be for a child. Because when I hit the bottom of my sleeping bag with my feet, it came down to around my neck. But we made it, and now we got our coffee brewing. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning. Another fine day over camping with the Lost RVer. What a mess. Watched movies all night. And there you go, folks. A real gold claim. Man, it got cold last night. I had the right type of sleeping bag. And plus I was trying to sleep right here, and this thing is bowed. I felt like I was being bent backwards for about 5 hours, so I gave it up. Alright, be back. Good morning. Bye. Let's see it. There we go, man. Pound of bacon, potato patties, and bread. I was supposed to bring the eggs, I forgot. What is that? Oh, what we do with this is we let the bacon fat solidify, and we use that as like a pancake. All right. You're here with me. You're part of it. You're watching it. Take the shot. God bless America. See you guys. Here's the creek. Here's the creek at the cabin. And you can see that they were working it. This looks pretty big. They took a tractor down here. All that's new growth. That was all hydro mined illegally. And they just wiped out from those trees back there all the way to that mountain over here. You see it right there. They just took water cannons, totally against the law. They got busted, had to repair all this. And this is what it looks like now. A lot of white quartz. We didn't find a speck. But that's Allegheny. That's gold mining. Beautiful country. And of course, there we are. Again, about, I don't know, about 40 miles in. Dirt roads. We're packing up. We're going to go down to the Allegheny Bar, Casey's Bar, 1865. Been operating. And then probably come on back home. We'll see you guys. See what we get on the way down. Maybe we'll stop. I don't know what we're doing. Look at that. Out in the middle of nowhere, this cabin was found. See ya. We have been official claim jumpers for 50 years. 50 years we've been claim jumping. That's what you see. Although you look right down there, there's no name and no claim number. So this is all BS. It may be claimed, but it's, look at that though. Ancient 1800s, like 1850s. And this is what the shingles all look like right here. That kind of wood. They put that tin on right there. Those are the original sidings. Look at how thin that is. And that was the roof. And then they came in and they brought in some new siding. And then they put this piece of crap up there on it. But that whole roof line was that stuff right there. It's beautiful. And again, I'll show you the front door because we're pulling out. We are pulling out. Banner mine. Can you see in there? Nope. Nope, it's all boarded up. Look at the bars on that. When we came up here, this was just open, You walked in, like I told you yesterday. Bed made out of timber around here. Staircase going to a door that dropped 20 feet. A table that was made out of the timber, a chair that was made out of the timber. And I believe there was one tin cup and one tin plate in the kitchen area. And there it should be. There's where we stayed. There's the crew. There's the 2002 Toyota Highlander. That's it. It's just junk right now. Whoever's been up here is just trashing the whole area. They haven't been up here all year though, you can tell. Alright you guys, we'll see you on the road. Cal, Root, Peg, and wife, known as the Lost RVers. Remember, subscribe to this station. Watch a couple of the videos. You never know what we're going to do. It's not the best. Do the best I can. Narrate it from start to finish. Just to show you what normal campers do. Not all of us can travel the world. Some of us just are weekend warriors, and this is where we do our weekend worrying. All right, see ya.